To create a map from a 70My dashcam, retrieve the GPS data file. Locate the GPS data file from the disk. Select the desired video segment. Identify the part of the video for which you want to create an animated map. Select only this portion of the GPS data to avoid crashing Google Earth Pro if the file is too large. Save this selected data as a separate GPS file. Convert to GPX file. Option 1. Ask ChatGPT to convert the file to a GPX file by uploading the file and requesting the conversion. Option 2. Ask ChatGPT to generate Python code to convert the file to a GPX file. Ensure the code specifies the correct input and output file paths. Let's try the second option. Save the provided Python code to a file named importgpx.py. Open Command Prompt. Search for Command Prompt and open it. Ensure you have the GPX.py library installed. Run the command pip show GPX.py to check if the library is installed. Navigate to Python file location. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory containing importgpx.py. Run Python script. Execute the script by running the command Python import gpx.py. Verify GPX file creation. Confirm that the GPX file has been created. Install Google Earth Pro. Ensure Google Earth Pro is installed on your computer. Import GPX file. In Google Earth Pro, go to File. Import your GPX file. Click OK. Play the track. Go to GPS device. Tracks and click Play. Adjust track options. Check and adjust your track properties as needed. Set touring options. Go to Tools, Options, Touring. Adjust the speed to 1 to match real-time playback. Set camera tilt angle to 15 and camera range to 500. Set animation start position. Choose the position where you want the animated map to start. Click on Track. Add Tour. Click the record button to start recording your tour. Play the tour and then stop the recording. Save your recorded tour. Move the tour from temporary places to My Places. Open and close Google Earth Pro to activate Movie Maker. Click on Movie Maker and select the location for saving your video. Enjoy your animated map. Check your map in the saved location. Make video in PremierePro. Open PremierePro, create a new sequence, add the original video and map, adjust the size of your map, and play the video. These instructions should help you create an animated map from your 70My Dashcam GPS data using Google Earth Pro. If you encounter any issues, please let me know.